Okay, I'm going to show you how to send an encrypted message with your new Office 365 email. It's pretty easy. All that you need to do is just type a keyword that we've set up, and usually in the subject line. And usually we set up either secure in parentheses or encrypt in parentheses. So we're logged into our email right now. We're just going to click new. I'm going to test and send an email to myself. We just put this is an encrypted message, and just put secure like that in parentheses at the end of the subject line, and then we'll just say so this is the message. Go to send. That's all that there is to it from your point of view. If you don't put that secure in the subject, it's just going to send a regular email. But if you put that secure in there, in parentheses, it is going to send an encrypted message. Let's flip over to my email. This is what I got. This is a test of an encrypted message. And this is what you get. It says the person sent you a protected message. You can read the message. And it's going to ask us to either log in. We can either create an account, or we can log in to view the message, or we can use a one-time code. And usually the best way to do this for most people is to just have them use a one-time code. You can just say sign in with a one-time passcode to get the message. And what it's going to do is it's going to send us another email that says, hey, this is your one-time passcode to sign in. Sent us a one-time passcode. We just have to put it in. So we're going to check our email again. We got the one-time passcode to view the message. Just copy that and paste it in here and go to continue, and then we can see the encrypted message there. So that's how it works. If you have any questions, just let me know, but it's pretty easy to use. All you need to do is you just need to make sure you put that secure in parentheses at the end of the subject, and that will tell it to automatically encrypt the email.